Assalamu alaikum, hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's cooking tutorial I will be sharing with you one of my Ramadan special recipes, chicken and veg puff pastry. An absolute delight to have during Ramadan. So let's get cooking and let me show you how I make this. Okay, so I've added in 3 tablespoons of butter. I've blitzed 1.5 medium-sized onion, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to saute those onions until they become soft. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add in 1 kilo of chicken thigh pieces, and I've just diced them into small pieces, and we're just going to cook that on there for about 5 to 10 minutes. So we're going to cook that until the chicken becomes soft, tender and a nice light brown colour. I've then added in 1.5 teaspoons of salt. I've added in 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. I've then added in 1 teaspoon of black pepper and chili flakes to give it that extra kick of flavour. Now, viewers, I just want to make you aware, whilst you are cooking, if you feel that you need to add a bit more of chili flakes or that soya sauce, please do taste as you are cooking and going along. I've added in ½ teaspoon of Chinese salt. I'm now going to add in the sweet corn. Okay, so I'm going to add in 500 grams worth of mushrooms. I've sliced them up into small pieces. I'm then going to add in a red pepper and green pepper. I've chopped them up into small pieces, and then I'm just going to add that into that mixture and give that a good stir. I'm going to cook that on low to medium heat for another 5 minutes. I'm now going to make the white sauce. So I've just added some butter, about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter, and then I'm going to add some plain flour and just give that a good whisk. Add in milk slowly as I'm going along, add some cheese and salt and black pepper, and once that mixture goes nicely thick, I'm then going to add that white sauce into our main mixture. I'm going to let that then cool down, and once the mixture's cooled down, we'll then move on to how we fill the pastries. So the mixture is now cooled down, and I've got my lovely mum with me, and we're just going to show you how we fill these pastries. So Ramadan is only a few days away, so I just wanted to say a Ramadan Mubarak in advance to my YouTube family. I just wanted to say a big thank you to all of those of you who have subscribed. If you haven't, then please remember to hit that bell icon and subscribe to my channel. Remember to like and share, and stay tuned as I will be sharing more recipes with you. Okay, so the chicken and veg pastries have now been filled. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to try a few and see how they've come out. Now, just to give you a tip, that when you do put these pastries into the oven, just brush on some milk or beat an egg and brush on the egg on top of the pastry. You cook them for about 40 minutes on about 180 degrees. Once you get that golden crispy brown colour, they are then ready to be served.